hey, we're getting ready to go to Deep River, Iowa. One of our friends that we found is going to let us onto his farm, and there's going to be possibly some hog riding, some steer hopping, and if we're lucky, there's going to be a pregnancy check with a cow. And I can safely say that none of our guys have had that experience before. Genesis Metro is all about pushing the envelope and the opportunities, and here we are getting ready to be so far outside of our comfort zone, and we do it for you. You remember that. You remember when you see this, that we are doing this for you. Lee, Tim Moore, nice to meet you. Appreciate you. Thanks for letting us come out here to your farm. It is beautiful out here. It's a little different smell than we're used to.
That's pungent. You can almost taste it.
Hop on the back! Just hop on the back! It's a half-hearted attempt. Oh my God! Yeah!
The objective was to ride a hog, catch it, ride it. Catching was much more difficult than anticipated. Kind of got on one a little bit. My next goal was to wrap my arms around it and ride it, and it kicked me in the no-no square. My next strategy was to sneak up behind. Lee, when was the last time you had someone besides a vet brake check any of your cows for you? One for you.
There's a cow that needs to be checked for pregnancy.
How are you going to do that?
Well, the old-fashioned way.
You want to reach in and feel for the calf's head. You're going to have to push really hard.
All right.
Oh, gosh.
So, in your opinion, how did he do?
I think he did all right. Until the end when he started feeling a little nauseous.
Yeah.
That's all right for a beginner, though.
And this is your farm, correct? How long have you been on this piece of property?
All my life.
All your life. And in all your life, has what's just happened here in the last hour and a half ever happened in your life? No.
First time.
First time. And do you think we did all right?
You did good.
All right. So, signing out from Deep River, Iowa. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with us. Can't wait to share it with you.